Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and it's a rainy day in KE family. Guys, I'm just gonna make this video, guys, because I just wanna make this video because my heart's bleed. My heart is bleeding, family, when I actually see the comments. I don't know if these people is from Dee Mwango people or it's from her channel family, but she's known for that family to actually send people to actually comment bad comments and and talk bad things on your channel, you know what I mean. So I just want to make this video, guys, because I don't know if truth, right, and justice is still alive, and I don't know if people actually have a heart. I don't know if people don't believe that, in the Bible, no sins go unpunished, family. So I just want to make this video, guys, to let you guys know the last words Dee Mwango said to me before she blocked me and stuff on the internet when I tried to talk about my, getting to the apartment and stuff. The last words that she said to me, family. So I'm just going to talk about those last words, family, and explain the situation so people can understand. Because I don't know how people actually, I could come out and tell a story and people will say I'm 18, try to tear down another black person. But I'm saying to myself, family, what about truth? What about right? What about justice? So because somebody's black like you, or is an African like you should allow them to step on you. And because she's a female, you should allow them to step on you, family. Let me tell you something, guys. I'm not a wimp. I'm not a simp. You know what I mean? I'm not a wimp, I'm not a simp, family. So all of you guys, wimp and simp, you know what I mean? All of those females, bird of a feather, flock together. You'll do the same thing, even worse than Dee Mwango. So I'm just going to explain to you guys the last words that Dee Mwango said to me. And when she said these things to me, family, I'm pissed, I'm upset, because these things, words is meaning, words is life. When somebody says something to you that is actually disrespectful, make you feel small, make you feel like you're nobody just because of a few subscribers, because of a few people cheering them on, and you don't realize that these people, they don't know you, so they will say anything. And people who understand social media is like this: whatever you put out there, that's a perception people are gonna have at you, but no, it's like, social media should be like a thing that people only see as good, but people can see them as good and bad, and people who don't have a mind of their own, and people who just die-hearted. You know what I mean? You have people who die-hearted, just like in Jamaica, you have politics. People die-hearted. Even when the person that killed them still have to say good things about. Even when the person is not right for them still have to say good thing about them, family. So I just want to make this video, guys, to let you guys know that the last thing Dee Mwango ever said to me, family, these are the last words, she said to me. And up to these words actually, make me, I'm here today, saying all of these things and fighting, because, I don't see how somebody can say those words to someone and expect they should just block them. And I shouldn't come on the internet and say nothing. I still don't understand. I don't understand why people can say, Dee Mwango, we need to hear your side of the story before we can talk. That's all. All you got to say, if people with sense and mind and, and actually believe in truth, right, and justice, just say, Dee Mwango, let me hear your side of the story. Come and tell your side of the story. Let me hear your side of the story, and then we decide who is right and who is wrong, and who gets scammed. That's all. That's all, family. That's all. Because the last word that Dee Mwango said to me is that you're not even from Africa. You're not even from Africa. All I got to do is just block you. And I'm here today making video, and forever making video until this problem is resolved, family. Because these words come after, family. After I actually was going back to Ghana, and I actually I was trying to find this paper to show you guys, this contract that when I'm moving the tenant into the apartment, I actually sign a contract with the tenant and stuff, with everything and stuff in the apartment. I'm just looking for this paper, family, to show you, to let you guys know that after I collect my 1 month's rent and deposit from the tenant, everything was fine. You know what I mean? And after that, you know, she go behind my back and tell the tenant that is her name. And to be honest with you, I never did mention that thing that her name was on the original lease agreement, because I thought it was just nothing, because, you know what I mean, I treat her good, I give her anything that she want, because she's just like a friend, because, you know what I mean, I host her in Ghana and everything. So I expect her now to, like, you know, it's like, that's like nothing, because it's my thing them anyway. So that shouldn't be like nothing. You know, when you know believes that somebody that do something, and you say to yourself, say, yo, that's not that smart. You never remember it, like, so you should change it over to your name because it's your thing. Because I remember, family, I was about to give up that apartment because I was going back to Ghana. And I said, let me just hold on to it, and then because I know I like Kenny a lot, so I'll come in, I will be back. So, you know what I mean? So it's hurt me to see that somebody will say something to you like that. That all I got to do is just block you, and I'll never hear from you again. That's what you said to me, family. You'll never get nothing from that apartment. That's what you said to me. I'm telling you. I wish I did have those messages to bring it here, but just because that Instagram account got disabled, that's the reason why I don't have those messages to bring it to your family. So I'm trying to let you guys know that when I come and talk these things, you know what I mean, you have these die-hearted fans, you know, it's coming and defending her. And even when them see the live message, or she talking bad about somebody who is helping her and giving her things, or she talk bad about them. You know what I mean? As you can see, how she treat people that help her and host her and give her things. So family, I'm still trying to find this thing. I don't think it's here. But I'm just trying to find this lease agreement that I signed with the tenant to show you that I have control over that apartment. It was my apartment. If I never have control, I wouldn't be able to do this. I wouldn't be able to sign an agreement. Yes, family, see it here, family. I even put her name on it because she's a Kenyan, and I said, let me just put her name on it. You know, she can deal with the people and stuff. So this is the lease agreement, family. 2-bedroom apartment, furnished. And I am the one signed the agreement because she wasn't in the country. She wasn't in the country at that time when I rent the thing. This is my signature and the tenant's signature, family. My signature and the tenant's signature. So, you know what I mean? I'm just doing this video to let you guys know that, you know, ask Dee Mwango to come and say her side of the story, family. Ask her to come and say her side of the story, and then we can talk, family. Then we can talk. Ask her to come and say her side of the story. And then you guys, if you guys is fair, if you guys is honest, if you guys is for truth, if you guys is for rights, if you guys is for justice, then family, I expect for you guys to actually, you know what I mean, press Dee Mwango to come and say her side of the story. Press her to come and say her side of the story. Need for your side of the story, Dee Mwango, because, you know what I mean, this boy look like say him hate on you for no reason. Him just saying these things. I want to know if it's the truth, what really happened. You know, just come and say it was my apartment. Where these are the receipts that I pay the rent. These are the receipts that I pay these are the receipts and everything that I do everything. Just come and say it. You know what I mean? And then make your people them come for jam tours. That's all. But you don't be silent on the internet. You're not saying nothing about the matter. And you're still telling the people them to come and making bad comments. You know what I mean? You're still telling the people them to come and make bad comments. So that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying to you. That, you know, people should actually, you know what I mean, people should actually be kind, because these are things that happen to real people out here. Yeah, family. So as I was saying, guys, if you use for truth, if you use for rights, if you use for justice, you know, just actually, you know, tell Dee Mwango, tell your loyal supporter them, or tell Dee Mwango your die-hearted fans to actually, you know what I mean, let me hear your side of the story, Dee Mwango. We need to hear your side, and then we can decide, because people out here is not real. People out here is very fake, and people out here is not honest. You know what I mean? People out here is not for rights. People out here is not for truth. People out here is not for justice. So I'm just saying that, family. You know, for all of these people who want to come over the thing, over my video and comment, ask Dee Mwango to come and say her side of the story, and then you can come and comment. Then we can talk. All right?
That was
the... Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours just come in the car We're actually heading out. The rain is falling. And you know, Miss Jam Tours, you want to talk about all of the bad comments them?
Yes, I was to address, and this was my video to make. This was my video to
well,
make.
this video I'm just talking I'm just talking about like the people who not actually just a comment and them not willing to listen to ask Dee Mwango to say her side of the story, and then they can comment.
You got it all wrong. So it's not that they're willing to ask. They just follow.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you've
I know people don't think, you know what I mean?
No, not thinking.
This can happen to anybody, and it can happen to you. And that's the thing.
Let me address it. Save yourself.
I edit in another video, sweetie.
No, I'll do it right now. Let me do it this way. Number one, even men get hurt. Yeah? It's not just women that get hurt. And I'm asking myself, if it was vice versa, if it was Diana who was done whatever it is that, and then she comes out and say, oh, like what happened between them and JB. Didn't she come out and everybody was supporting her?
Yeah.
But you're not seeing that she was using the guy. Yeah? You're not seeing that she was
But
using
even
the
men
guy.
talking. If you're a man talking, you're a simp. You're a wimp.
And in the comment section, if you don't like what Jamtwas is talking about, please get off his YouTube channel. Just go and watch them. Because I don't like the whole point of my husband has come to address something that happened to him. Kwani he shouldn't get hurt. Eh? Who said that men don't get hurt? Who said it's only women who get hurt and all the society should support them?
And when a man get hurt, you spread the word. You're not a simp, you're not a wimp, you spread the word.
And so, you know, it's a thing that I don't know whether it has really improved in the country, but I noticed once a man goes to police station and says, oh, my wife is doing this, you know, there are women that are like men, eh?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And imagine the woman will still get support.
Yeah.
But you go and say, my wife did this and that. You won't be taken like, you'll just be taken lightly. So right now, anybody who is coming in the comment section says, oh, my husband is bluffing and whatnot, you're the one who is bluffing. Yeah?
Yes, sweetie. So I was talking about the video, sweetie.
I'm not even done because number one, go and ask her to come and address the issue. You know what even eats my head more is the fact that with Ponte, she has been addressing issues simply because she knew what she was doing.
Yeah, right? Obviously.
Number two, because she's the one sponsoring everything. But here, because it was vice versa, she's ashamed to come and say some things. But come out, girl, and say your thing.
And even with Aaron Dante. You know, he's sponsoring everything. Yeah, but because Aaron Dante is old and she don't want him, that's the thing. You see what I'm saying? So all of these three encounter. Anybody
who is coming out to say, oh, my husband is bluffing and all that, you're the one who is bluffing. Because number one, you don't just judge, even a judge listens to two sides of the story. So there's no way you listen to Jamtwas and the other, God, I don't want to call her a bad name though, whatever it is that she calls herself, she won't come and address. Yeah? So it's either she comes out and addresses the whole issue, or the people who are coming out in the comment section, you shut up your mouths.
So I was saying, sweetie, the last words that Dee Mwango said to me, I was telling the people my last words. You're not even an African. You're not even from Africa.
Yes.
And she said to me that you won't even get nothing from this apartment. So what you take on that? You know, if somebody says something like that to you, and you should just sit down and take it.
And you expect people to believe you though?
And that's the thing, a lot of people been saying I just come on the internet because she's in Jamaica and making videos. I've been making my video. She was the one I remember, sweetie, when my blood was boiling, when I called the apartment manager and they said Mara is the one collecting the rent from the tenant and all of these things. And I come up and I make some video. And that's when I get some fake court documents to keep me silent. And then I say, oh, that's a court you don't want. Let go court where I go. And then when I go now, boom, I find my lawsuit and this. And then start trying to reach out to her. She run away.
And another, I don't know whether to call him a he-goat or whatever it is that you came in the comment section on that video, because actually to me you sounded like a he-goat.
He's not a simp. They are wimps.
Number one, somebody came out and said at you should go in court and all that. Don't forget my husband is a foreigner. And you don't expect his things to be taken so pap like he's a local.
Yeah, and that's the thing.
So if you don't know the law, you shut up. Watch your video. If you don't want to watch him, go watch Diana, go watch Mara, go watch whoever you want to watch. It's not, maybe it's not forced. You know, that's the
Imagine Mara come out and say, him sister get a liar and a silent. That's what he come out. They are liar, they are thieves. Imagine that's what Mara come out and say, you know, and say, oh, I hope you're watching this. I'm telling you.
Well, good thing we were watching.
Yeah, but I hope you guys are watching this now. And that's the thing. Always remember this. No sins go unpunished. What goes around comes back around. Karma is a what?
It's a BITCH.
Okay. Alright, family. Just share your thoughts and share your comments. And Dee Mwango Die-Hearted fans, just DM Dee Mwango and tell her we want to hear your side of the story. And you still can make your bad comments if you want.
People are so
but
foolish.
I am just trying to actually, if your brain is asleep, I'm just trying to actually wake it up. You know what I mean?
People are so foolish. Because why? I don't see how somebody will come and address JB's comment JB's thing immediately. Like people have parted ways today and tomorrow you're on the video.
And I've been tagging her and doing so much video and she's silent.
If it is Ponte, you come out and abuse the man like he's your baby boy and all that. But why are you not addressing Jam Tours? What are you afraid of? Shameless people. You won't even come and those comments were boiling me up. I was saying to myself,
you'll read those comments one by one and make a video.
Don't men get hurt? That is my question. Don't men get hurt? Or when a man gets hurt, shouldn't he talk? He doesn't have a mouth. Let me tell you, we are all human and we have feelings. We have the right to express ourselves, whether you are a man, whether you are a woman. And number two, somebody said, oh, you are looking weak by doing all this. Let me tell you.
Guys, I'm saying to myself, these men are simp. They are wimps.
Weaklings. Yeah?
Imagine a woman can say those things to you. You're not even an African. You won't get nothing from this apartment. All I got to do is block you. This is my only hope now, is to be on the internet talking about these things. You know what I mean? And them are the reason why I even start YouTube, sweetie. You remember when I first did the first video? My blood was boiling. To hear that the one Mara is collecting and doing stuff.
I would have said that.
But anyways, guys, it is what it is.
I would have said a Kikuyu proverb, but let me save it for tomorrow. Let me save it for those men who think that because you're a man you shouldn't. Let me tell you, and those men who keep quiet, you people are the ones who just die. Because why? You see yourself like you're so strong and stuff, and it's not a matter of being strong or weak. If you have a heart, you have feelings, and you should come and address your issues. And
anyway, Dee Mwango then in Jamaica sleeping and watching this video.
Oh, and number two,
she in her heart, she knows she did Jam Tours wrong, and that's the reason why she's silent.
Somebody else said I was forgetting Diana is getting mad love from Jamaica, and who cares?
So what does that have to do with anything?
So who cares?
The world is a free world.
Yeah, I mean it's a free world.
But if somebody does somebody wrong,
my husband is also enjoying himself, as you can see. He has.
Obviously, these people those people don't know that
family.
That Africa, Southern Africa, is the Holy Land. They don't even know that.
Yes. So my husband is also enjoying himself in Kenya. As you can see, he has been here for the longest time.
And now, family, I am a Kenyan.
I
am a Kenyan. So what you're saying?
Very soon we'll put those things straight. So don't worry. Very soon we'll put.
Imagine
those
somebody
things straight.
tell that he is not even an African. I will block you. All I have to do is block you. You won't hear from me again. You won't get nothing from that apartment.
Provided you have this complexion.
And now I am a Kenyan.
Provided you have this complexion. Your root is Africa. Whether you're in America, whether you're wherever, your root is Africa. So Diana, feel ashamed of yourself.
Yeah, that's just them lack of knowledge, sweetie. These people are the lack of knowledge.
They don't know anything.
And the mind is in mental slavery. And that's the thing when they run down back at Muzungu and stuff. That's the reason why their mind is not right. This is Uncle Roo from Jam Tours Africa family. Comment, share. And for Dee Mwango fans, we want to hear your side of the story, Dee Mwango. Then we can decide what to say.
And my husband is enjoying himself in Kenya. As you
I'm
can
out.
see,
One love.
we are on our way out and it's heavily raining, but we're enjoying ourselves in Kenya. So you enjoy yourself in Jamaica. It's a free world. I can also come to Jamaica at will. He can go to, it's called, that's their village, near Bohanse. It's not your village, by the way. It's not yours, like it's not mine. You understand? You can come to Kikuland. I can go to wherever I feel like staying. Everybody has the right to stay wherever they feel like staying. And it doesn't mean because you wronged one person that the whole country should come over you.
Yeah,
the people will support wrong. The people will support the truth. So it's up to you. So my husband, let's go and enjoy Kenya.
All right, let's go. We are out.